Hardly had he stepped out of the house dash it began to rain. A, when B, then C that. No sooner had she finished the exam dash, she left the hall. A, when, B, then C, then. He speaks so eloquently that it seems as if he dashed a public speaker for years. A is B has been C were. Had I known about the storm, I'd dash the trip. A would have postponed, B would postpone, C had postponed.
The more you try to explain it, it becomes. A, the confusing. B, the most confusing. C, the more confusing. Scarcely had they arrived the ceremony started. A, when B, then C, before. I suggest that he dash early to avoid the rush. A, leaves. B, left. C, leave. She looks as though she dash crying. A, had been. B, was. C, has. If she dash more cautious, she would not have made that mistake. A, is. B, had been. C, was. He acted dash he were the manager. A, like. B, as. C, as though. It's high time you dash serious about your studies. A, get. B, got. C, had gotten. He didn't go to the party, nor dash he send a message. A, did. B, does. C, had. I wish I dash told the truth earlier. A, have. B, had. C, would have. So difficult dash that only a few could solve it. A, the puzzle was. B, was the puzzle. C, was puzzle. If it dash for her encouragement, I wouldn't be here today. A, wasn't. B, hadn't been. C, weren't. the room, along with its contents, dash ensured. A, are B, is C, were. I would rather you dash the truth. A, tell B, told C, had told. Not only dash late, but he also forgot the documents. A, he was B, was he C, did he? She would have come to the meeting if she dash informed. A, were B, had been C, would be. Dash you work hard, you won't succeed. A, unless B, without C, until. He talked as if he dash everything. A, knows B, knew C, had known. He is one of those players who always dash their best. A, give B, gives C, gave. Each of the guests dash welcomed personally. A, were B, was C, are. By the end of this year, he dash in the company for 10 years. A, will work B, will have worked C, has worked. The manager demanded that the report dash immediately. A, be submitted B, was submitted C, had been submitted. I prefer coffee dash tea in the morning. A, then B, over C, 2. They insisted that he dash present at the meeting. A, is B, B C, was. He hardly speaks any English, dash. A, does he B, doesn't he C, is he? No matter how hard he tries, he dash satisfy his father. A, can't be, doesn't C, won't. She is not only beautiful dash intelligent. A, but B, also C, but also. The moment he arrived, he dash welcomed warmly. A, had been B, was C, is. We must adapt, dash perish. A, else B, or C, nor. Such dash his reputation that everyone feared him. A, is B, was C, were. Never before dash such a magnificent view. A, I saw B, I had seen C, had I seen. Little dash he know what awaited him. A, did B, does C, had. The teacher demanded that he dash silent. A, is B, B C, was. They acted as if they dash the owners. A, B, were C, had been. Not until the sun set dash to feel cold. A, did it begin B, it began C, began it. The doctor suggested that he dash smoking. A, gives up B, gave up C, give up. If only I dash how serious it was. A, no B, knew C, had known. The company, as well as its branches, dash bankrupt. A, is B, a C, have. Had he worked harder, he dash passed the exam. A, will have B, would have C, would. Not only the students but also the teacher dash tired. A, were B, was C, are. She said she wished she dash with them. A, went B, had gone C, would go. Each of the children dash given a gift. A, was B, was C, are. neither he nor his friends dash going. A is B, a C was. The principal asked that no one dash late again. A comes B, come C, came. Had it not been for your help, I dash failed. A would have B, will have C, had. Seldom dash a mistake of this kind. A, he made B, does he make C, he does make. The more you criticize him, dash he performs. A, the worse B, worse C, the most worse.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop your target scores in the comments.